Alright, now that you've taken the mandatory course entry quiz, you went back to the getting started and you've gotten access to the MyStatLab. So you were provided with a course ID and a link to this site. So you will be registering now as a student. So the first thing you'll do is you'll come to this site, you'll hit student. These are the things that it says you're going to need is your email, your school email, the course ID that you just now received in Blackboard, and then your access code that you have received at the bookstore, or that's in your that's a part of your bundle with if you got the book and the access code, or if you just want to buy an access code now. So again, there is a trial period on this, in case you don't have the money now, so everyone can start today. And so it'll just take you through a sign-in process. The first thing it'll probably ask is for the course ID. So please go through this process. What I am going to do is show you our course. Oh, let's get back to the main site. And when you go into our course, you will see this. There will be tabs over to the left. I had suggested that you look at your chapter contents. If you have a book, great. If you don't have a book, a hard copy of the book, you have an online copy of the book now. Again, the exact same thing that people that have the hard copy, but it is a e-text. And so it will look just like a book, except on a screen. Eventually. There we go. And so you can read the book, and you have access to every bit of the book that someone with a hard copy does. There are videos for this section that you can watch. Explain the process, distinguish between. And so as you're reading these different sections, please look at the videos that are in these sections. That is another tool that you have access to through your MyStatLab access. There are tools for success. There's a formula and table card that's provided a hard copy in the textbook. If you just have the e-version, you might want to print this out. It has StatCrunch access, which we'll be using a lot of StatCrunch. This is the online calculator that we'll be using in the course. And again, there is a multimedia library which lets you pick from different chapters. Like, let's go to chapter 3. And let's find all the PowerPoints, the videos, the section video lectures, and let's look at the textbook. And so we have the section video lectures, we have PowerPoints, we have examples. So these are videos and other resources that are available to you, so please take advantage of those. When you start doing your homework, you will go to the homework tab. Currently it says nothing is available. Everything opens up on the 11th. And you have quizzes and tests. Some of these are currently open. I will change that here soon. These all say 2015, and that is not correct. But the homework and quizzes is where you will find your online assignments. You will also have a grade book that you can look at, and that'll just tell you your scores. But this should give you an introductory on how to get into MyStatLab, and we'll be answering more questions as we continue with the course.